Sound may damage your speakers.
Bang your head to the music.
Here we are in the lovely village of Langenau. Got the international karate event here. 4 days of karate training, great fun. Bit of archery from Hanzis. And of course we got Bjorn as the DJ. One of the most amazing things about this place, really amazing things about this place, is that it's the only place I know that has a vending machine that sells eggs and sausages. This is the fabled vending machine where you buy eggs and sausages. Eggs in the top, sausages in the bottom, and things in tins at the right bottom. Very nice indeed. So you need never go hungry living in this village of Langenau. In the background of me now, just standing in front of it, the little hut, just a little hut here in Langenau with all your sausage requirements. Wonderful. We've also got ducks and swans and a bit of a river. But mainly sausage vending machines. Brilliant. We're staying here at the old schoolhouse. You can probably see it in my background. Up the stairs and in the corn house. Very, very nice indeed. And as you can see, this village of Langenau has a hive of activity, like not a lot.